The demon was coming for Eve, but he would have to get through me first.
Do you see? I'm not afraid of it anymore because I know it's not the end.
Eve's last breath freed her soul. I saw it leave myself, continue its journey elsewhere.
I just buried my wife and you're suing me for custody of my daughter?
Who do you think you are?
You're not taking me.
Oh my God.
Big mistake.
Degree assault is a gross misdemeanor. There's almost no chance you'll be awarded custody if you're convicted.
Eve's parents already filed a motion to terminate your rights.
The injustice was unbearable. First Denny lost Eve, and now he would be deprived of Zoe too.
Enzo, stay where you are! Enzo, go!
Fair amount of internal bleeding, also some renal damage. He's very lucky. It could have been far worse. I have to be honest with you, Mr. Swift. An old dog like yours, this kind of injury is often the beginning of the end.
I knew I had to stop it.
Hey, okay, you made your point. You call their lawyers. Tell them we'll see them in court.
I can't do this. I didn't see anything. I'm only saying what you told me to say.
They dropped the charges. All of it's tossed out.
He'd done it. Zoe was ours again. Denny had won her back, and it was a victory for the ages.
I don't. If you want me to go,
I know death is not the end. Eve told me so, and I believe her. When I return to this world, I will practically be an adult the moment I am plucked from the womb with all the preparation I have done.
Go to the track, because I have a surprise for Enzo.
Track's all yours.
You've been a good friend. Very good friend.
The best of friends. Faster, Denny. Faster.
Ciao, come ti chiami?
Enzo.
Enzo.
Sì, mi chiamo Enzo. My name is Enzo.
Scusi. Your son reminds me of an old friend.